Hi, how are you today? I hope everyone is in good shape. Happy as always. Okay, so today we're going to learn phonics. Are you ready? You should get your book. So let's open our book. I want you to open your book to page 6. On page 6, we're going to learn about the letter B. Now, B. What sound does the letter B make? B makes the sound B, B, B. Can you follow me? B makes the sound B, B, B. So before we continue with our lesson, okay, let's sing the song with me. Are you ready?
Here comes the letter B.
B is for ball, B, B, ball. B is for baby, B, B, baby. B is for bean, B, B, bean. B is for basket, B, B, basket. Okay, friends, let's open our book to page 6. Now we are looking at pictures that begins with the B sound. The letter B makes the B, B sound. Now here, these things begin with the B sound. I want you to name the picture. Then, can you circle the bus? Now let's look at page 7. The word B begins with the B sound too. What I want you to do here is match all the letter B's and draw the line to the picture B. Can you do it? Okay, so our lesson today is about the letter B. Now repeat after me. B makes the sound B, B, B. Okay, friends, so that's the end of our lesson for today. I hope you have a nice day, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.